Welcome to Cronos, guys. This cryptocurrency was crypto.com, but now renamed to Cronos. But the ticker CRO still stays the same. Currently trading at 43 cents with a market cap of 11 billion, guys. Ranked number 18 on the list. So what is this crypto, guys? Well, more what is this platform? So Cronos CRO is a native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by crypto.com for a payment, trading, and financial service company. Cronos Chain is one of the products of Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means to increasing personal control over money. Wow. So what can you guys get a part of this, guys? Obviously, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Hippie Global, CRO, their own platform. So if you guys looking for trading, hodling this, getting leverage, there's on multiple platforms. They're all basically anything in the top 100. You can get a part of this. Let's look at the rating system, guys. Now, this rating does look pretty good. It is a double B from Stable Outlook, so they're in the top 86% of cryptocurrencies that have been rated. That's absolutely amazing. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, this is a really big one. I mean, look, there's 17,949 cryptocurrencies out there, and this one's still rocking it. All right, let's look at the news for it. So pretty much the news is going to be leading to more about what's happening in Ukraine and Canada. That a lot of people are donating cryptocurrencies. So that's the biggest news when it comes to these cryptos, just in general. Other than that, Coinbase, Crypto.com changed their name to Cronos. Some big news for that. So Crypto.com, if you want to learn more about their platform, get their card, learn more about their platform, read their white paper, check out their website, guys. For me, I would always recommend reading their white paper, checking out the cryptocurrency, even before trading or hodling it, guys. Now, let's get a part of Crypto.com, 1.8 million followers. Huge thing. You guys want to find some news about what's happening with, like this right here, GameFi, the next frontier in crypto. Learn about it. Check out their Twitter page. But also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I tell a lot about political stuff, a lot of trading stuff. More on the political side. I don't do so much on this channel, but I see how YouTube is getting. So please check me out there. We can have some conversations. Also, let's get to that price prediction, guys. So when it comes to the price prediction, you can see that it has been some volatility. It's coming off this trend right here. So because we're on the daily, okay. Let me make my trend line a little bit more attractive. I don't need this. Give me a second. So we are coming off of this big move up right here, and that's good. Maybe we can see CRO or Cronos breaking this, and if it does, where do I plan on it going? So if you're hodling this, if you're dollar cost averaging, for me, if I was dollar cost averaging for this cryptocurrency, basically every major dip, I would be buying in positions as much as I possibly can, because that's what I would plan for. That's what I would put my energy into doing. But for me, I usually trade cryptocurrencies because that's how I am. I trade almost everything as I can. So right now, if we can hold this and close above this position, I would say our next easy point is basically 6 cents ahead, up to the 50 cents mark, guys. That's a pretty easy one. But if we don't hold it, this is where I see where we can't happen. If we don't hold this, we might head back down to these lows right here, here, and here. So it's very dependent on if it can break across this trend line, close a candle, and build upon that after that. Because right now, this support zone can be reattempted. So if you're hodling, you really don't have to worry about getting stopped out because you're in a cash position. And if it heads back down to the support of 34 cents, you're probably going to enter in a couple more buys. Basically, set up a couple of buy limits on the way. So if it hits down this bottom, you can carry it out, and then it can possibly head back to the 50 cents mark, and then you probably cash out with some of your profits, but hold it to higher prices, right? So for me, for trading, my price prediction is basically 50. Let's say 51 cents, and I'm going to do a price alert right here at this price. Let's do a horizontal line. At current market price, at the, where is it? Right about here. So about 45 cents is where I would place my first price target. A little bit close, but if it heads down lower, I'm going to do another price target right here at the 40 cents level, basically. And if it can hold that down here, we can enter on a basically, I'll have to do another video just to see if it wicks or builds up support down here. Because if it doesn't build up some type of like a quick reversal or a build up reversal, then it'll just crash right through, and I don't want to be a part of that. So that's why I'm not going to enter in market. I'll hold my price alerts to see what it does, and then make a decision if there's a big wick, then climb back up, which is good. I like that. Kind of like this right here. Wick, pull back up, wick, pull back up, or build structure and then up. But I think overall it's going to hit the 50 cents mark. But that's my price prediction, guys. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. But let's head to my website, Andre J. McClendon. If you guys are looking for more about trading, investing, my trading platform, just hit me, go on here. Look at the free indicators. Also look at the custom indicator. And you can see that about trading and stuff like that. But that's it. That's the video, guys. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.